my account.
Okay, I'll direct you to the technical support team. One moment while I transfer you.
Okay.
It seems I may not be able to directly transfer you, but I recommend checking the help section on the website for technical support. They usually have resources for account login issues. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Okay, I'm good.
If you have any...
So it's actually working. The routing is actually working. You can actually see it's actually working now. The only thing you can do next time, I'll show you how to connect it through a webhook to our flow in NLN, where we are going to create our own database through Sparkbase, a knowledge base. We're going to actually upload our own documents containing all the different policies and among other the technician among other things. We're going to connect to it. Then we're also going to ensure that when you ask a question or inquire about a certain product, the voice agent transcribe the information into text and to triggers a webhook that actually execute the workflow in NLN that checks out the information that you are